Are you curious on how to use Canva and its new AI Magic Write in a way that you can quickly and easily make multiple graphics on the same topic, like a series of graphics that you can send out? I'm Ellicia Romo, and today I'm going to show you how you can do just that. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here, and we're going to go right into Canva. And with Canva, I'm going to start here in the docs. I'm going to open up a doc. And then at the top, I'm going to click this plus, and I'm going to go to Magic Write. Let's start with a simple topic, like maybe 5 ways to improve my credit score. And it's going to think for a minute, and it's going to list my ways. Here's my 5 ways. So we want to make sure they make sense. And then we're going to highlight and we're going to copy and paste those into an Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to open up Excel. We're going to open up a new document right here, a blank workbook. We're going to paste in our list. And then we're going to save it to our computer as a CSV file. So I'm going to change it from Excel workbook. I'm going to make it CSV, ways to improve credit. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to go back into Canva. Let's minimize this here. And then I'm going to go and create a new design under File. I'm going to do an Instagram post. And I'm going to find a template that I like. So let's see what they have here under some tips. Let's see if there's a nice one that I like. How about let's use one of these? It's one of 7, but we could, I don't think I like those so much. Let's find something different. A little more. Let's see. I want one where I can make multiple graphics and put all my tips in. Okay, so we can maybe use this tip of the day, but instead of just tip of the day, I'm going to make it credit repair or credit score tip of the day. So we get multiples. You might want to go into and have some things saved, like using your headshot here. And maybe your logo, you're going to put that into the first one right away before you duplicate it. So I'm also going to come here. I'm going to find my NEXA logo. And I might want to put all my contact info on here. And if you're in real estate or mortgage, you're probably going to want to put your licensing, the equal housing symbols, stuff like that. I'm going to get this on here, equal housing lender, get it right in the gray. And then I'm going to want to put, let's see, I'm going to edit my image too. And I'm going to get rid of that dark background because it just doesn't look good on here. So I'm going to put that in there. While that's working, I'm going to come over into, I always save in Evernote my licensing and my contact info. So I'm going to copy this, go right back into Canva. I'm going to come over here to the text, and I'm going to get the company licensing to keep me compliant. And I'm going to make that just a little bit smaller, bring that down to 1.0. Let's see, move it in here. You know what? I'm going to actually put it up here so that it's not in the way of my contact info. Now I'm going to put my contact info here. I'm going to come right back in here. And you don't have to put all this same stuff. You can, just do whatever works for you. But now I'm going to copy where I want it to go. I'm going to come back over to the left. I'm going to go to my apps. And on apps, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to do bulk create. I'm going to upload that CSV file that I created earlier. That is probably in my documents. What did we call it? I called it 5, I think. Credit. Oh. Okay, so here's a key is remember what you title it when you title your CSV file. And of course it's not coming up right away. I think I titled it 5 ways. Let's see, credit. I probably put credit in here. Here we go. Ways to improve credit. I'm going to now open that. Okay, hang on a second. We're going to get rid of that here. We're going to come back in here. Ways to improve credit. Click on it. Open it up so it gets into Canva. Now, when I click on my words, I'm going to click on the spot and I right clicked. I'm going to come down here to connect data. I'm going to connect it. I'm going to click on this. Hang on, I'm going to connect the data again, connect it. Then I'm going to continue. And then I'm going to create and generate 4 new pages. If you noticed, it opened up a new tab. So in my original tab, here's my step number 1. And it has the number 1. So up to you if you want to keep that or change it or put the word step or something. But here's number 2. There's number 3, 4, and 5. I now have 5 graphics that I can post that are licensed and ready to go as a series. I could change this to credit score tip of the day, credit score tip of the week. There are 5 days in a week. I have 5 tips. My theme of the week could be for credit scores. So I hope this was helpful for you. Reach out for more tips. And I look forward to growing business together with you soon.